Hello everyone, this is Gabriel. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to create a table in Excel. A table is a rectangular range of structured data. You can create and use an Excel table to manage and analyze data easily. Now, let's begin. First thing to do when creating a table in Excel is to select the range of cells. Shortcut for this is Ctrl A to select the table. Then we go to the Insert tab, then click on Table. If you do not check this box, your table will have headers as column 1, column 2. So we need to check my table as headers. Then click on OK. Can you see that the range is converted to table with the default style? Another way to do this is by clicking on anywhere on the range and press Ctrl T. Let's say we have this data set. This is another way to do it. So we need to press Ctrl T. Can you see that? Can you see that? Another part of this tutorial is on how to resize a table. You can resize a table to add or remove columns and rows. Suppose we want to add 3 more states. All we need to do is to go to the bottom of the table. Then we drag this blue mark down. Can you see? To add more states. You can as well expand the column. Let's say we want to add another column. So we go to this sign plus, then we drag it to the right here. Can you see that? Another part of this tutorial is on how to remove duplicates. When you gather data from different sources, you probably can have duplicate value. You need to remove the duplicate value before going further with analysis. Look at the following data where we have this information about various products or various brands. Suppose we want to remove duplicates from this data. All we need to do is to go to the Design tab here. Then we click on Remove Duplicates. Now, a dialog box will appear. The column headers appear under columns in the Remove Duplicates dialog box. We need to check the column headers depending on which column we want to remove. Let's say we want to remove the duplicates for product. We need to check only for product. Or let's say we want to do for only brand. We will check for only brand. But now we want to remove for both brand and product. We will check for the two. We click on OK. Now we will get the message that we have 7 duplicate values found and removed. Can you see? We can as well convert this table to range. All we need to do is to select any cell in the table. Then we right click. Then convert to range. Yes. Can you see that? The last part of this tutorial is the table styles. You can see that we have different options for table styles. Can you see that? It is advised that the table styles option should be used only to project important information in your data rather than making it colorful, which is not needed in data analysis.